This video demonstrates how to create a LED blinking program by configuring the timer using Smart Configurator. This demonstration uses the RL78 G23 64P fast prototyping board. Connect the board to computer via COM port. In this example, LED 1 is configured to blink every 500 milliseconds. The ports and timer array unit components will be configured as shown to blink LED 1. The eSquare Studio IDE is used for this demonstration. You can refer to this video for installation steps. This video has 3 parts. Part 1. Create project. In eSquare Studio, click File, New, Renaissance C++ Project, Renaissance RL78, Renaissance CCRL C++ Executable Project. Enter the project name. Select the latest CCRL version. Select target board RL78 G23 64P fast prototyping board. Use the COM port for debugging. Click Finish. Project is created successfully. Part 2. Configure the components. In Smart Configurator, select the Components tab. Click the Add Component button. Select the interval timer and ports. Configure the interval timer, operation, 16-bit count mode and resources, TAU 0. Click Finish. In the Configure panel of Config TAU00, set clock source. Set the interval value to 500 milliseconds for toggling LED 1. Enable the interrupt to trigger the event every 500 milliseconds. Select Config port, then select Port 5. Click Port 5 tab. Change Port 5.3 to Out and check Output 1 to set LED 1 to off status initially. Click the Generate Code button. Code generation is successful will be shown at the console window. Part 3. Add user code and run project. Open config TAU00 user.c. Include pin.h to access write and read pin functions. In the TAU00 interrupt process, add code to toggle LED 1. Open the file containing main function. Start TAU00 in main function and add a while loop. Build the project. Project will be built successfully. Open Debug Configurations dialog. Select RL78 Project Hardware Debug. Under Debugger, Connection Settings, select the COM port detected by your computer. Click Debug to start the debug session. Click Resume button to continue the program. The timer has been successfully configured to make the LED blink.